Okay, welcome. In this screencast, we're going to talk about adding colors. And now this is when it gets really exciting and our web page starts to look great because we add colors and make it look really nice. The first thing that you need to do, I've already done it, but you need to go to your image page and make a duplicate copy of it. Once you do that, so here it is. I'm just going to show you some tools that are available to you in Illustrator and things on the web. And choosing colors and color schemes is a lot of trial and error and what you like. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is I've got this logo over here, and because this check mark is a spray painted image, I can't necessarily change the color of that check mark or make it less prominent, I guess you could say. Actually, now that I'm talking about this, let's try to change the opacity level. There we go. I just felt like it was taking up too much importance on my page. What I am going to do though also is make it a little bit smaller. So let's ungroup this. I don't want it to have so much importance. Now what I am going to do is take the writing and make that, oh no, I'm sorry, not the writing, the check mark. I want to just the check mark and change the opacity level on that. To lighten it up, so that's perfect. So it really lessens its importance. I want it there, it's important, but definitely is not the main focus. Now some things that we can do here. Click on an image and you'll have this recolor artwork. Now there's a lot of options here, and this is a really fun part of Illustrator. What you can do is to start out, you can do complementary. There's a lot of different color combinations here analogous, things that we've learned about, monochromatic even. So there's that which is available to you. Also, if you click on the edit button, it takes you to a wheel here, and you can move this to, you know, whatever color you want, and it's nice. So if you're going for a monochromatic look, you would use all of these. So let's say we want this for my title, then I would click yes, and then let's say I need something else to be aware of. Now remember, we shaded all of these things to show the level of their importance and to keep the hierarchy of the page. And you want to make sure that you do that you stay true to the hierarchy that you have really planned on. Over here you can also change the brightness, lightness, things like that. So by making that really dark, I've completely changed my hierarchy already because I decided that that wasn't going to, it's important, but it was not supposed to be that dark. Something else that is available here to you is, we'll go back to edit, and here we can change the brightness and the darkness of our color scheme, which is great. It's nice to have options, and this just changes the display for you. Something else that's really great here is so here, see, we've got a lot of options, and what's great is that it shows it here on the color wheel. So then if I want to decide I'm going yellow and purple or yellow and blue, I can change it, but I still get the same space and depth of the color wheel, which is very helpful. And it honestly just takes time getting used to and figuring out what you like and what you want to do. Another option is to go to Window, and at the very bottom, which I don't think you'll be able to see, is a swatch libraries. And so here you can see some of these, and it gives you some more options. Now these are things, so let's go to Art History and Ancient. It already comes up with families of colors for you to use, which is fabulous. So, you know, you can use all of these, and actually this is one, I didn't use this particular one, but I used one of these families for the design that the color scheme that I ended up liking the most, which is funny because when I first started this assignment, or this project, I really thought I had in mind what I wanted. I wanted a monochromatic page, probably reds, But the more that I played around with these colors, I found a lot of other things that I really liked. And so there's different categories for you to use. And something that I think is really important, and I've probably talked about before, is you need to decide what you're trying to achieve with your page. Because as I've talked about, colors can evoke emotions, and there's a lot that colors can do, and if you use them right, it can be so helpful for you in your page. Um, anyway, so what we're going to do, you're just going to click on something, um, decide on the color that you want to use, and go for it. It's really fun, and you're just going to have to take some time to see what you like. But stay true to your hierarchy. That's going to be really helpful. Otherwise, it's kind of like you did all that for nothing. I want to show you a few that I came up with. Actually, before I do that, if you find a web page on the internet that you really like the color, and you're not sure how to how to get to it or how to make it, if you use Firebug, you'll just you can Google Firebug and install it for whatever program you're using. And what's great about Firebug is you'll go to the web page that you like. So this is one that I have already found. And let's say I really love this orange color. When you have Firebug, it'll be up here on the bottom. You'll click on the color that you like, and it will give you a number. And that number is the hexadecimal number. And then you will go back to Illustrator. And here, oh, I locked this. So then if I were to click on this, here at the bottom is my hexadecimal number, and you would put that number in and it will give you that color, which is great. So the internet is also a fabulous resource for you to help you find some colors. So a few that I came up with, a few color schemes that I liked. Here's my first one. So I've got the red, blue, light blue, yellow. I tried to stay true to my color scheme, or my hierarchy, I'm sorry, by keeping things, the text is most important. Okay, another one that I liked was this one. Now, I mean, I still have a red title. I really do like the reds. But I also really liked different colors, and I thought it just made it look really nice, and certain things pop, and I felt like it really brought my page together. Now the one that I decided on keeping was this one. And what I like about this is, I don't know, I felt like the colors really went well together. I like the feel of the page a lot. Um, and it's definitely not what I was expecting when I first started this project, but I really like it, and that's what I think you'll enjoy about doing color schemes, is that you'll learn a lot, and it's really fun to see what colors go together and to use what's already available to you and then to make your own page look great. So I encourage you just to spend a lot of time looking up colors, looking for examples on the web, and using Illustrator because it is a great program for this. So good luck.